welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be actually showing you how to make this cute origami craft that looks just like this. It is super cute, and actually I'm gonna not be doing this all alone, but I will be also doing it with my friend. I'll be actually doing it with Hanada. Hi Hanada.
Hi Malak.
So welcome to today's video. She will be actually doing the video with me, and it's a super easy origami craft. So what we'll be doing? This, right?
Yes.
It looks just like a milk box, and here you open it like that. You can actually put whatever you like, and I actually put some chocolate coins. You can actually eat a chocolate coin. Okay, so now let's actually start off with the steps. So actually what we'll be needing the first, you know what you need? A paper.
Yes.
This
Here.
time that is using the screen. What do we need next? A glue. Use any kind of glue.
Yes.
Next, what we'll be needing is a piece of scissors or any cutter. And you're gonna need actually a marker. You can choose any color. I brought black actually.
Me too.
And lastly, you're gonna need a ruler.
Yes.
Okay, so the first step, once you draw your paper, you're gonna need to cut your paper into this size. The height is actually 20 and the width is 24 inches. And here is it on the screen. Okay, so now actually we draw our paper and everything. Bring up your ruler. I'm gonna show you just now. So you see here the paper. We bought it, and from top here you're gonna put it, and here you're gonna mark up 1 centimeter, and you're gonna put it and draw up a line. I drew it actually here, so you're gonna do this step. And okay guys, so once we're done like that, what we'll be actually doing from here until here, and now what we'll be actually doing, we will be actually okay, so now from this line we marked off, we're gonna fold this we're gonna fold it. Okay guys, so once we actually fold it here, we're gonna flip it like that to the back side. And from here, right here, flip it, yeah, like that, nada, and then you're gonna refold one just like we did. You're gonna refold the other side. So you can get something just like that. This is going backwards and this is going forward. We actually need it like that. One going inside and one going outside. Just like this one, you can see. Here we got like that, and from the other side we got it from top. Okay, so once you fold one here and one over here, we're gonna put it like that, and we're gonna put here some glue right here. So let's actually put some glue just like that, and we're gonna bring here this one until up here, and we're gonna glue it just like that. Okay guys, so now you should get something just like a bag, but it's all the way open from here. Okay, so from now, like that, you see here, you're gonna actually fold it to the other side. Just like that. Like that, and fold it. You're gonna get something like that. Okay, so now when we fold it like that, we're gonna reopen it, and we're gonna do the other we just did, but in the other side we're gonna fold it into half just like we did again. I'm gonna actually fold it just like that. So once we actually fold it to the side, we're gonna open it like that.
Okay, like that.
And from one side here in the right, we're gonna bring it to the middle and actually do a triangle. So guys, here we're gonna bring it, and from the up, when you see like that, we can actually fold it to the other side just like a triangle. a little triangle, like that. So we're gonna fold it and come back. Okay, so once we actually fold it, you should get a line like that, and we're gonna from here to the end, we're gonna fold it. I'm gonna show you. So we got it like that. We just did it, and you're gonna actually fold it like that to get a shape like that.
Like that?
So now once we fold it like that, and then like that, and then another way like that, you're gonna get something like that. Now we're gonna open it just like that, and flip it to the other side, just like that. And we're gonna actually do two triangles getting together. Fold it, get something like that. And then come back. Okay, so once we actually fold it like that, we're gonna bring it forwardly with this little thingy we did. I guess we fold it like we're gonna bring this one, we fold it forwardly like that. And then you're gonna bring this one down. It should be just like a mail icon. Wait a second. Forward. You're gonna get something just like a mail. Okay, so once we actually fold it like that, we're gonna open it, and we're gonna bring this one actually to down. You see this side, we're gonna get it actually to down. And then, so I'm gonna show you just a second. It should be like that. You brought it like that, you're gonna bring it and fold it. Okay, so once we actually fold it like that, we're gonna bring it like that. And those two triangles we did on the part, we're gonna fold it backwardly. It was like that, we're gonna bring it down. Okay, so once you actually fold it like that, you're gonna actually, once you that and flip it, it should be like that. You're gonna bring the other side, you're gonna bring it down, just like the actual one we did, and then fold it. You should see something just like an X on the triangle. Okay, so once you fold it like that, we're gonna bring this one down here. We're gonna try to open it. It should be an opening. Like that. It should be just like an opening, kind of thingy. Try to open it. Okay, we're almost ready, guys. Just still to close it. So once you get it, you can get something just like a square kind of part. This one should go like that. You get like that. Okay, so now bring actually your scissors. If you see this X, it should be down. It should be just like an X. Once you fold it like kinda like that, you're gonna cut on these. You're gonna cut all the parts just in lines. Okay guys, so once you got like that, just like over, what we're gonna do is open them like that. You're gonna bring one square downward. So here we've got one square. Here we're gonna bring one square down. I'm gonna try to hold it with my fingers and actually add up some glue. Like that, add up some glue. And you're gonna bring the other square on it. You may need to push down. Now here, you're gonna open it. repeat this step on the other two strips. Okay, so you can get something like that from down, like that. And to finish up our box, from there we're gonna hold it like that, pointing in, and start hold it side, and get something from the edges, just like this one. Gonna put it inside of the milk box, and same from the other side. Okay, so once you did it, to finish it off, we're gonna just fold it. We're gonna fold this up. Just fold it like that. And we're all done. You're gonna get something like that. It's super cute. And it should stand on your desk or whatever you're doing. And it looks super duper plain. But we're gonna actually decorate those. We're gonna actually decorate this one in a different way. I brought a piece of white paper. You can actually don't use it, but I'm gonna use it actually. And I brought my glue. Just add it up to a little bit of glue. And to get right on the bottom.
Yeah.
Like that. It's pretty super cute. And so I'm gonna add a small face in the black marker. Like say a circle and a little mouth. Eye. And I'm gonna draw a heart for the nose, kinda. Draw a line and just a little small. So do like that. It's super duper cute. And I may also add up a little cheeks like that. Finish it off. We're gonna wait till our empanada to be done. Okay, so we're all done, both of us, and this is the actual result. I brought two.
And here is mine.
It looks like a kitten. I draw it just like that. It's super cute down.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna also keep a link in the description to take a photo of all of us so you can get an idea of how to decorate it actually. This is actually the first video for Hanada with me, and I really enjoy it with you, Hanada.
Thanks.
Okay, so this is the end of the video. Hope you like it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down here.
Yes.
And bye. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and all of that stuff. And if you didn't, go to Instagram, post it, and hashtag fun art with Cookie and to get a shout out in my next video. And comment down Cookie Fan to get a shout out in the video too. And see you in the next video. Bye!